Eaves. Okay. Okay.
It's what's inside the bowl.
Oh.
I don't know. You tell me.
I don't know. I don't know what it is.
If you can't guess what it is, we'll move on to the next one. Okay.
I don't know what that was.
Okay. Alright, go ahead, just reach down.
Oh. Where'd it go?
Gotta find it, Mom. Wait.
Oh, this got me. Pine tree?
Yes.
That's scary.
Okay.
Okay, it's in the box. Box.
Wait. No. Okay.
Box.
Huh? Do you see that? I mean, do you hear that?
We can hear it.
We can see it too.
That wasn't it, was it?
No.
Um, to paint.
Okay. Okay, it's inside.
Okay. Wait, hold on.
See, it's inside. Inside.
Okay, hold on. Let her get the courage.
What is it? What is it? It's cold. What is it?
Worms.
Ah! It's wet. It's wet. It's wet. It's wet. Why is it wet?
Because they like to be.
Wet.
They like it
They're
better in
backstory.
moisture.
It's like a tree.
No.
Bark.
No.
Yes, it's wet.
I don't know what it is. It's not a tree?
No.
A worm?
Yes.
Oh.
No.
Okay, let's go back to the first one.
Okay, go ahead. He's so
Is it
weird.
an nail?
No.
Try again.
I don't know what this is. Sure it's not a nail?
It's not a nail.
It's not a nail.
I don't
Try
know what it
again.
is.
Keep guessing.
I don't know. I don't know what that is.
Okay, well, we'll try the other thing. These are hard, aren't they?
Oh, that's that right there.
Only two are, Mama.
Oh, slimy. slimy. No. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. You gotta get it,
Guessing.
Mom.
You can't rub a white cloth until you guess it.
It's... Oh. Ah. Cinnamon.
Yeah. Okay, now you have still the
Oh,
last
yeah.
one. You can't look.
I don't know what that is.
Ooh. But
Oh, I smell cinnamon.
make sure there's nothing else in there.
And where? In here?
Uh-huh.
Oh, there's something else? Two of them.
There's no more.
Oh.
Do they feel like something familiar?
No.
What's the
Like,
texture they have?
Huh?
What's the texture?
Hard. Like nails.
no, they're sharp.
Ish.
What other things are sharp?
Needles.
You think that's a needle?
No.
What other things are pointed? That's the question. Not.
Pointy and sharp.
I don't know.
Okay.
Hold on. What are pointy, sharp?
Feel like nails.
Nails.
No.
Feel like.
I don't know.
Let's just say you could put them on.
Like nails? I'm stuck with nails.
It's like you're the one with the baloney.
But your nails now. You could put them in your mouth.
Oh, fangs.
Yes.
Oh.
Took long enough.
Is that it?
Yes.
Oh my God. Ew.